It's come to light a lot recently. People wanting to create a better life for themselves with a new custom home, or to add on some sort of an extension to the home that they're already in. And the thing is they can sometimes. What happens sometimes is they will talk themselves out of it. And what I mean by that is they'll use something like the wording of financial issues that it might be a bit too expensive or out of their range and so on. Which in most cases, almost like 95% of the time, that's really ever the reality. If you already have been sort of pre-approved, you have some sort of equity in the current house or in other property and such, there's really just a matter of arranging a financial term that that you can work with. And why do people want to make these changes? Because they know that there's a better place that they can live in. A huge example right now, because of the housing crisis and throughout most of North America, is as families are expanding, they're given a choice. Like, do we extend the house? Do we buy a new house? Maybe a different property, maybe outside of the city, where there's a lot of empty lots and so on. These are all great questions. But the bottom line is make a decision and stick with it. It'll be a year later, 2 years later, 5 years later, and you're still gonna either be better off or far behind, one or the other. So choose, where do you want to be?